Hello, let me show you how to extract catfish oil in this video. You can basically extract catfish oil at home when next you buy catfish. This oil is edible. It can be used for cooking, for frying, and for simple stir fries. And it smells really great. To extract the catfish oil, first of all, you will need to remove the viscera from the catfish stomach. What I mean is the internal organ or the fatty tissue from the belly of the catfish. Wash them thoroughly to remove blood. Place the washed fatty tissue in a saucepan. You want to cook this on the stove top over low heat for about 20 minutes to render the oil. You can use a fork to separate them just to make sure they lay individually in the pan. So after about 20 minutes, you can begin to notice the oil pushing out from the viscera. You don't really need to do so much. Just keep swirling the pan so that the heat is evenly distributed. Just keep swirling the pot to enable the heat spread out evenly or until all the fatty substance has been rendered. Once the underside has been heated, you can go ahead to turn them over so the opposite side gets heated as well, and then melt at the same time. This is like 40 minutes later. The whole catfish fat has been rendered. For you to know that the oil has been completely rendered, you will notice the fattish parts floating on top of the oil, and they are slightly browned but not burnt. At this point, you can take the pan off from the stove. Leave it to rest until it cools down. Once the catfish oil has cooled down, you can strain it into a clean bottle. This catfish oil is quite useful. It can be used for a couple of different things apart from cooking. So I hope you try this out at home and make your catfish oil in the comfort of your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Until next time, have a great day and bye.